This was a video with Watermark, and this is after removing it. Without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can remove a watermark or logo from a video. It can be a watermark like this one in the corner of the video or on the whole screen, or a TikTok watermark, or any kind of watermark. We'll see that how you can remove it in just 2 minutes. So we'll discuss two working solutions, and the second solution that I'll share works 110%, which will undoubtedly solve your issue. So the first method is you have to first of all go to Google, open up your browser and go to any browser that you use and type in here video watermark remover, and plenty of websites will appear up. You can go onto any website and just create an account, upload your video there. That website will remove that watermark or logo for you. This is the easiest way, but the problem with this method is these websites only allow 1 or 2 videos, and after that you have to create a new account, or there is a limited length of time of the video which you are uploading. So this leaves us to the solution number 2, which works for every length of the video, and unlimited watermarks can be removed using that method. So what you have to do for method number 2 is you have to open up your Instagram application and go to the search button right here and search here how to official 0 and hit the search button, and this page will appear up. This is my Instagram page, and as I am a video editor and I'm running a YouTube channel, so I can easily remove that watermark for you. Who can be more efficient in removing watermarks than me, as I'm running a successful YouTube channel? So you can message me here on this page and I can do it for you just in the return of $10 US. We can work for long term as well. And if you don't trust me or you think I'm a scammer, then let me show you some proofs. You can see here I have a deal. This was not about watermarks. This was another client of me. And if I remember another person here, this one you can take a look. We had a successful deal, and this one right here too. And here are some proofs, and my inbox is full of all the person who needs some kind of services. So if you are having so much issues with free watermarks removers, or you can't figure out the solution, you can just message me here and let's do it together. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.